Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the Windows Sandbox error code 0x80070057 with the Windows Sandbox failed to start the parameter incorrect. Would you like to submit feedback about this issue? Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First go to search menu and type Windows Feature. Opens up and Windows feature on or off. Open up. You just need to make sure to check mark Hyper-V guys in here. Check mark it and you just need to scroll down. Windows Sandbox. You just need to check mark it guys. So if you are noting this is grayed out, it might says Windows Sandbox cannot be installed. The processor does not have required visualization capabilities, in which case and you not be able to install Windows Sandbox on your Windows computer guys. Alternatively, you may have encryption software on your device. You may need to consider turning that off temporarily and see if that then allows you to access this Windows Sandbox settings. Just need to check mark it if you can. Just need to check mark it and select OK. And the Windows update will download for you guys. Windows need to reboot your PC to finish installation the requested changes. Just need to go ahead and restart your PC for changes take effect. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.